Good day, everyone. I'm here again to cook for you. Today, I have prepared this whole chicken. We have a farm chicken these days. So look at this. It's a very fresh one. Just bought it. And this is not a frozen, just chill. And our ingredients for this soup, I just put it in 1 carrot and some celery stalk and a leek. I have not this leek is not a very big one, but still can use it. And I have this prawns. Look at this. So what I'm gonna do first is I have to clean this chicken, but I think I don't need to cook it the whole chicken for today. With it's very big one, so I just I have to cut this, okay, and this, and everything I need to remove it. I have to separate my gosh. Okay, I just remove this, and now look at this. This is a whole chicken, and I have to cut it into half. So look at this, so easy. And so I just, okay, so if you, what I mean is when you cut into half, the taste from the chicken is easily to spread into your soup. So, and just clean it, and you can throw all those chicken into the casserole. So look at this. Okay, I just keep it one. I put it first the half into the plastic, and I have to prepare this one. So this is enough for one time soup. And okay, let me wash my hands then. So every time I have to cook this kind of soup, I have to clean. I don't know if you have cleaned into a salt, into us. I mean, I have to rub this chicken skin just to the, in this part, to the chicken, into the skin, like this. Means to remove some, my point is I have to remove some remaining feather, small feather or hair, not hair, a feather from the chicken. So now I have to I have to wash it into a running water. So look at this. Just do a simple like this so that you have a very clean soup, and just leave a little bit fat into the chicken, okay, so that you have a very good looking soup chicken. Or you can remove it also, the fat from the chicken after cooking. This is how I cook for the chicken soup. So look at this, very fresh. And now I have to get ready with the boiling water. So look at this. Now to make the taste more delicious, I just put it the half chicken there, and just to add salt. Okay, it is up to you if you add more salt or less salt or no salt. But for me, to make a little bit taste, then I will add the salt, the boiling water with a salt into a chicken. Okay, now I have using this. Look at this. It's a very big carrots and fresh, and this is a sweet carrots, and it's a big one. You know what? I show you later why I preparing these carrots into my chicken soup. But in Asia, we have all times choose in different kind of soup. So different soup, different different taste, different cook soup, which we have a lot of tradition with the how to cook soup, like herbs, like fresh vegetable, dry vegetable, or whatsoever, or just meat or pork, chicken, and beef. So any kind of soup you can put everything, unless I don't know. So now let me wash it first. Just okay. So look at this. I can cut with you know what, I have fat and long carrots, so I have to cut into like this size so that can easily soften when I'm mixing into the chicken. Okay, so I have six slices. So look at this, and now I have to mix into this cooking soup. So look at this. It's just a normal soup, and very tasty later. And the most important thing is, while you start your soup, any kind of soup, you have to pull the power so that the taste from your meat coming out, and maybe after 15 or 20 minutes, then you going back into lower fire. Okay, and now this this kind of ingredients, I mean, this is a leak, but this is a big one before, but I keep into the wrap, so just in case I need it, so I just grab into my wrap, so, and I can mix up to any kind of this. And I have also this celery. Celery, you can, it's give a lot of vitamin, and you can use to any kind of your recipe, and you just grab one stalk, half stalk, or just slice to get your soup have a good fragrance, and just cut it. It is not necessary to cut into a small piece, so I just wash it and throw into my soup. Okay, and so this kind of soup, or any kind of soup, can be easy to prepare. So look at this. Now it's a very good. So look, just this kind of recipe which I'm using every time I'm cooking with a soup, in this kind of soup. But when I make a different kind, like a cream soup or mushroom soup, I have also a different kind of ingredients. Now I just put a little bit black pepper into my soup to add taste. Okay, and I just cover it and wait for another 30 minutes, and your soup is done. So I'm gonna prepare for the second. This is not actually, this is just for soup, and I'm gonna prepare for the dough or semolina or something else, like a lot of kind of dough or pancake. So the pancake is the most yummy in this kind of soup. Just make the pancake and cut it like a noodles, then you can have your dish, and you can have your yummy soup, and you have your chives. Just put above the chives and slice the carrots, then done.